a great morning for you. You can make it a great day, so make that choice today. We have big plans. I have this apartment that I like. Only downside about it that I've peeped so far is well, I have read reviews, and girl, I'm telling you, apartment shopping in Houston, these reviews have been so fucking crazy. Okay, but this place, the reviews aren't super crazy or outlandish, and the reviews that are more like not so favorable are for like 5-6 years ago. You know, there was a few ones that like 2 years ago that were in, but like I feel like it's a mostly good place. You know, I feel like every place, you know, there's things to be expected, but overall I think, you know, time for me to leave the roommates alone and having my own space, it will improve my quality of life. I really have this thing where I will self-isolate real bad. Like if I don't want to be around people, like, you know, like when I'm home, if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, so we're about to go tour my apartment. Is my appointment is at 10 a.m. I'm 30 minutes away because y'all know I live far as fuck, but it doesn't look like the traffic's bad right now, so I'm gonna put on some tunes and yeah. I have a bunch of errands to run anyway, so it works out great. It's a Monday, perfect day to get your week started. And like, yeah. It definitely feels more spacious than I thought it would. Okay, washer dryer, awesome. Y'all, in here doing my application. I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. I forgot to come back and show you guys, like, I was actually, there was some more stuff I had to fill out, like my income verification. So I was sitting in my car, I had got some Chick-fil-A, which I did not eat because it's so damn hot out here. Like, mind you, I do like the heat, but I don't like the weather here because it's dry heat. Y'all know I'm from South Carolina, so I'm used to that, like, humidity. Here, it just feel like too much. But I do gotta do my hair. That I got a long to-do list, y'all, and I'm literally just so like my energy. But I had seen some shit saying that, like, if you feel like you're really exhausted and tired and stuff, like, it's because it takes a lot of energy to like quantum leap and everything like that. Don't talk about my hair now, cause it's actually pretty. It ain't, but it's okay, bitch, cause I still look good. Anyways. But yeah, I have my chestnut brown wig. I need to install it and everything like that. I'm gonna go, and honestly, I've just decided I'm gonna do all my errands tomorrow. I'm just gonna do everything tomorrow. I done did you do what you can do, and you did what you did. You get what I'm saying? Like, if you've done all that you can do, then you did what you did. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like I ain't there, but I know tomorrow I will be. I got a Monster in my mini fridge. She will be drunk, and I will definitely have that to kickstart my day. I do usually refrain from energy drinks and stuff like that, but hey, when you need it, because I literally go to LA soon, so we got to get that settled. But thank y'all so much for coming with me today. Like, if I do anything else tonight, I'll let y'all know. I'll hit y'all number. I'll hit y'all phone. Like, I'll pull up on y'all. Y'all can come with me or whatever, but I think for the most part, I'm finna just be doing my at-home stuff, and yeah. But thank you so much. Y'all seeing the journey. Like, my last vlog, I was like, oh, let me drive by the place that I want to rent. Hi, y'all. This is Editing Nene here. I thought that I recorded in my last vlog with the Nuova whatever situation. I thought that I recorded that after I left there, I went to the apartment complex that I'm moving into, right? Because I was like, well, let me see how far it is from there because I got a tour coming up in a few days anyway. So it was actually 8 minutes from where the photo shoot was supposed to be. So I ended up just driving down the street and like looking at it from the outside and everything like that. I was like, yeah, I could live here for sure. But I didn't record that because what happened was I actually got caught up yapping on the phone with my cousin. And if y'all don't have a cousin that y'all just yap with, then you just wouldn't understand. But yeah, that did happen in the day of the last vlog that I posted. I just didn't record that. So, but now you know, like it's still a progression. Like I went by there and then in this vlog, I went by there in the last vlog and then I took the tour in this vlog and like as if you're watching this right now, I've like signed my lease and so I live there now. But like I move in tomorrow. And then now here I am putting in my application. Right. Okay.